In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix issues in Google AI Studio Screen Share. If your screen share button isn't showing up or nothing appears when you try to share, this walkthrough will get you back on track in just a few minutes. First, head to the Google AI Studio homepage and make sure you're working in real-time mode. This is essential because screen sharing is a live input feature and it only appears when real-time is selected. Look for the real-time option in the interface and switch to it before you do anything else. If you've been experimenting in a regular chat or a different mode, switching to real-time is often the quickest fix. Give the page a second to update after you change the mode so all the right controls load properly. Next, choose the model called Gemini 2.5 Flash Native Audio Preview 12-2025. This specific version is optimized for live interactions, including screen sharing, and it exposes the controls you need. If you pick an older or incompatible model, the share option can be hidden or unresponsive. Selecting the latest compatible model resolves most button missing or nothing happens issues. If you don't immediately see this model in the list, try refreshing the page or reopening the real-time view so the catalog repopulates. Once it's selected, wait a moment for the workspace to initialize completely. Now, click Share Screen. Your browser will prompt you to choose exactly what you want to show: a single tab, a specific application window, or your entire screen. Pick the option that best fits your demo or troubleshooting scenario. If your goal is to highlight a single app without distractions, choose that app's window. If you need to switch between multiple tools, the entire screen is more flexible. When your operating system or browser asks for permission to record or share, make sure to allow it. Denied permissions are a common reason the feed stays blank. After you confirm your selection, look to the bottom right corner of the AI Studio interface. You'll see a live preview of what you're sharing. This preview is your confirmation that the connection is working. If the preview is black or frozen, cancel the share and try selecting the window again, ensuring it isn't minimized or hidden behind another app. That's all you need to fix screen share issues in Google AI Studio. Use real-time mode, pick the Gemini 2.5 Flash Native Audio Preview 12-2025 model, and share your screen with the correct permissions. Once you see the live preview, you're good to go.